Hello, my name is Joaquim Alvarez and I work with innovation and digital transformation for organizations and smart cities like Barcelona. This week in Barcelona we are celebrating the Smart City Expo World Congress, where experts and leaders from all over the world come here to share their knowledge, experiences and ideas about the developing trends that are showing the cities of the future. So in a few months I will be with you all in Australia. In March 2019 I will be in 5 cities of Australia. I will be in Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide and Perth. We also will do trainings and workshops using the more disruptive, innovative methodologies to start working on the challenge of the smart cities of the future. So please join us and I hope to see you all in Australia in a few months. Greetings from Barcelona.